You will be amazed by this 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.